Hi Carmats. I know I said I'm not gonna cut my hair in 2026, but I feel like bangs shouldn't count. Last time I cut my bangs was around Halloween, because that was Wednesday, so they were like pretty short. But can I help you? I feel like it's time again. I've had bangs for over a year and I just feel like I have like no oomph without bangs, and also this doesn't look very good. I'm just gonna wing it and hope for the best. YOLO, you know what I mean? What's the worst that could happen? The bangs I kind of want to do is, I've been watching Modern Family, and Gloria, her bangs start a little higher, probably like right over here, and then they go down. So I need to take off at least like this much. I've had all types of bangs before, and I feel like I definitely am one of those people that looks better with longer bangs, or like a side bang even. I did try shorter bangs before, just not my look. It made me look really round. So let's see what we're working with. Like, what is this piece of hair? Put up the hair, and we're just gonna see what comes out. And I feel like the perk of cutting your own hair, or like your bangs at least, is every time, no matter what, it looks just a little bit different. You guys, can you stop fighting? Okay. So, okay, there's definitely, whoops, some hairs right there. Do you like how I cut this? It's like a freaking square. I cut this little piece so it covers my bald spot. I mean, this is like not the world's... Like, you see, I don't want to cut this extra hair, so I think I'm just gonna leave it crooked. Because, I mean, this is how it's always been, so... whatever. Okay, where is the shortest hair? Wait a second, what is all this extra hair? So how's everybody doing? I feel like I don't talk about myself often. I feel like I don't really talk about myself often, but have I ever introduced myself like formally here? I'm a little nervous. Hi, my name is Christina. You guys, what is going on? Oh, also, I feel like there's a lot of people here now that, because of my like Russian video or whatever, where I was talking about swear words, I kind of want to do a video on old Russian movies that I used to watch. I think I'm gonna cut it to my nose. What do we think? This length? So when it bumps up, it's like here. I kind of want to do a video on like old Russian movies, like cartoons, because they're a vibe. But I don't really know what the market for that on YouTube is. Because I've already done 2 videos. Whoops. I'm trying not to make a mess. 2 videos on swear words, but I just don't know what else to do. I was literally about to just start showing my childhood pictures of me growing up in Russia, because I don't know, I feel like that'd be fun. Everybody's life is so different, you know what I mean? I'm so happy winter is almost over. I live in Buffalo, and we just moved here. But apparently Buffalo winter is like a thing. I don't know if you knew that, but I didn't until we moved here. And it's almost over. It's been treacherous, but we made it. I feel like because I am who I am, winters are like not that bad for me. But I just hate having to go to work and wake up in the winter. You know what I mean? Okay, this is definitely not straight, but get rid of this extra hairs and hope for the best. I don't know if this is a good idea. How do hairstylists do it? They pull it like this way? Right? Okay. I mean, it's not terrible. It could be worse. It's a little choppy, I must say. I love having bangs. I just wish I was good at cutting them. By the way, this is completely random, but I went into Barnes & Noble today to buy another Nido because I used to have two up until literally last week where both of them broke 2 days apart. If you don't know Nido, they're like these like squish balls. And at my job, which is very stressful, my day-to-day job, I guess I was squeezing it so hard that it freaking popped. And then I had another one that was a Dream Drop that popped too the next day. So explain that to me, Nido. Oh, I went into Barnes & Noble today and I was like, do you guys have those squish cubes, Nidos? And they looked at me like I was crazy. And I'm like, I remember buying them from this Barnes & Noble before. What is going on? I didn't say that. I just turned around and left. I said, thank you. And I walked away. I feel like that's cute. Just need to style them. Right? It has like a little more something going on. I think I might cut these pieces just a tiny bit shorter. My camera's about to die, so we're really gonna just speed this up. I'm gonna turn on my straightener actually. Love the straightener. I've had it for like 10 years. And it's still going strong. Okay, that seems like a lot of hair. How do you... Okay guys, be honest, is this cute? I feel like it's cute, especially if there's no part and it's like to the side maybe. I wear my hair to the side all the time. All the time except today, I guess. I'm just trying to make sure it looks good from every angle because I like to switch my part a lot. Okay. I mean, let's style it and see what happens. Is this video turning into like an ASMR video? Do you hear the cord? Let's see if I can get rid of this part for now. I probably just need to wash my hair to really get to the point. But that's like more interesting, right? Than what was before. Oh. Well, I can't get it to sit perfectly, but you know, you get the point, right? I definitely don't want straight across bangs anymore. And this middle part is not really doing me justice, but this side looks really good. So I would call that success. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any ideas, or if there's any video you want to see, really, just let me know. You know where to find me, in the comment section down below. That's kind of cringy. But yeah, just let me know. Thanks so much for helping me cut my bangs today. I think they look great. Hair is hair. Don't be scared to cut it.